What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is actually coming from Abia State, and today it was a stakeholder meeting that was hosted by the executive governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, who actually hosted almost all the stakeholders in the Labour Party. And the meeting was held at the Abia State Government House in Umuahia today. You could see Peter Obi, Victor Ume. The list is just endless. Amazing people of the Labour Party were there. Even the governorship candidate of the Labour Party for Lagos State was there. Dr. Ahmed Datti Baba, the vice presidential candidate of the Labour Party of the 2023 presidential election, was there. A lot of people, a lot of amazing people that I can't mention here all through, but the meeting was held at the government house in Umuahia, and you could see the arrival of the people who were actually trooping in to the meeting. It was hosted by Governor Alex Otti. I have a little, shall I say, test of communication for the Labour Party stakeholder meeting that held in Umuahia, Abia State capital, on the 4th day of September 2024. But before I read that this to you, no, not just a Labour Party is re-strategizing for the 2027 presidential election. Even other parties are already re-strategizing. And trust me, I did a video earlier today where Peter Obi was in company with the vice presidential candidates, Atiku Abubakar of PDP, and loads of others when they paid a visit, a funeral visit to the mother of Yar Adua, who passed on and was buried in Katsina. They were all there. Well, a lot of people, that actually triggered a lot of shall I say, issues, trending issues, talking about the whole thing, that why is Peter Obi playing politics with this? Well, somebody actually dropped a comment on that video, and the person said that you don't expect Peter Obi to be an enemy to people who are in power. He needs to make friends with politicians who are in power. Now, just right after that, we are seeing a stakeholder meeting that actually brought all the Labour Party members together. And yes, it was awesome. One of the sweetest things I really noticed from this meeting is they all honored the meeting and they came together. Also, from that meeting, this particular lady you are seeing here was given a very, very valuable position today. And honestly, a lot of people have been celebrating that win for her. A lot of amazing people have been celebrating that win for her. That it is beautiful to see that a woman is handling such position for the Labour Party. And well, I would say it's actually a beautiful thing for them to acknowledge her and give her such position. Then definitely she deserves the position. Well, let's just get right into, I'll say, the script from this one coming from the Labour Party in Abia State today, hosted by His Excellency Governor Alex Otti. He said, whereas the tenure of the members of the National Working Committee, NWC, of the Labour Party ended by a fusion of time on the 10th of June 2024, there is need to ensure that there is no vacuum in the NWC of the party. And that is the position they actually gave to that lady. Therefore, at this duly convened next splash extended stakeholder meeting held in Umuahia, Abia State capital, following the resolution we have been considered and reached. 1. A roll call was conducted and the meeting was confirmed to be duly convened. 2. That a 29-member caretaker committee be constituted immediately to ensure that there is no vacuum in the leadership of the Labour Party. 3. That the caretaker committee be constituted with Senator Nana Nnamdi Usman and Senator Darlington Nwokocha as chairman and secretary. respectively, other members representing various interests, including the NLC, Talks, Senate House of Representatives, House of Assembly, and gubernatorial candidates in the last election. And the caretaker committee is to immediately ensure that the ward, local governments, states, and national congress and convention of the Labour Party are held as soon as possible in accordance with the constitution of the Labour Party. The meeting commended His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, OFR, for his leadership and for hosting the meeting. In light of the foregoing, all members of the Labour Party are enjoined to support the caretaker committee to achieve its mandate. This dated 4th day of September 2024, Labour Party next / extended stakeholder meeting. Yes, I think I did justice to that. I can see even the Imo State Labour Party governorship candidate Atan Achonu was present. It was, like I said, it was just a meeting of awesome people. Let me just play you this little clip that came out of there. And yes, it was like a summary of all the executive ESCOs of the meeting that were present. So enjoy this one, please. In the comment section, drop your comment. What do you think this meeting really produce after their meeting today? What do you think would be the outcome? Let's hear that in the comment section, guys.